Hey y'all, Bear here. Tuesday, time for some camp cooking. And it's Thanksgiving, it's November, and rainy and fall-like. But anyhow, we're going to do Thanksgiving hash. We're going to do it for camp with the leftovers that we have from Thanksgiving. So what I've got here is some French fried onions. I've got a nice thick hunk of turkey from the deli, because I haven't cooked any turkey yet. I've got an onion, potato. We've got some asparagus, olive oil, butter, salt, pepper, rosemary, some chopped chives, and I got some topping sauces that we'll talk about later. We're gonna have a decision to make. But everything here represents something from Thanksgiving. Well, anyhow, let's light the stove and start cooking. I brought along a little cheat because I'm short on time today. Now I'll show you that in a second. We need fire. Sounds like people are already traveling. Work, matches. Alright, we'll start heating the old skillet up. We'll go ahead and get a little oil in there warming. It's a new one, I gotta open it. Give her the old water drop test. I'm gonna cut that flame way back. Well, look here, I'm short on time. I don't feel like cutting potatoes and onions. So, we've got simply potatoes. That's right. I let the other people do it for me. This is one of the products I like to use when I'm car camping. But in the meantime, I gotta cut up some of that asparagus. But you know, you pick any green vegetable from Thanksgiving that you like. You don't have to use asparagus. We're just gonna cut the asparagus down into little bite-sized pieces. And once our potatoes are about, I don't know, 70% done, we're gonna chuck this in there. Let's see, we'll hit these guys with a little salt, a little black pepper. I'll reserve my asparagus in my eating bowl. You see that? It's almost finger thick. I had the deli cut me that big old hunk of turkey off. Isn't that nice? Let's see, I think I'm gonna use about that much of it. Let's go talk about topping sauces while this cooks off. Now I figure I got two directions I can go here. In the spirit of macaroni and cheese, we could do ourselves a cheese sauce. And Cheesehead Chris, I know that's what you want, but I don't think I'm gonna do cheese sauce this morning. It's morning. I think I'm gonna do gravy, because you gotta have gravy for your turkey. And I'm gonna do a mushroom gravy. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's why I got the other skillet out here, so we can make up some gravy to put on this when we get done. And then we've got, in the spirit of our casseroles, we got the French fried onions here we're gonna put on there. It's gonna be good. Let's see here. It looks like I need to swizzle. All right, well the potatoes are about 75% there. Let's get the asparagus in. We'll get a little salt for the asparagus, a little pepper. You know, I bet you could do all this in a foil pack on the fire at camp also. Especially if you're using leftover ingredients from Thanksgiving that's already cooked. You're just heating stuff up. Oh, see that asparagus it's starting to turn bright. Let's go ahead and put the turkey in. That's right. Oh no! Now I'm not going to add any more salt, but now I'm going to go in with some of that rosemary. You use whatever Thanksgiving seasoning you like. And we'll go in with some chives. I'll get some butter in my pan from the mushrooms. I'm going to pull this And I brought myself out a towel to help keep it warm. Get a touch of oil in there with the butter. Let's go in with some of these mushrooms. Whoa! I got mushroom happy. We're gonna hit those guys with a little salt, a little pepper. All right, you see how the mushrooms are starting to release their water? That's what we want. And then they're gonna brown up so nice. You see how they're getting nice and golden? That's what we want. All right, now we're gonna go in with about a half a cup of water. And then about half this pack of gravy mix. There we go. And we're just gonna let her boil away till it thickens up. Well, heck yeah, I think we're ready to plate this guy up. We've got our hash. Well, daggone, you missed it, but look here, we got our sauce on there, we got the French fried onions, and we're getting ready to dig in on that sucker. Come on, turkey, asparagus, potato, come here, you're the one. Do some mushroom, some French fried onion. Ha, there we go, got everything. Heck yeah, it's Thanksgiving in a bowl. Oh, it's awesomeness. Look here, we'll see you on the trail, and y'all have a great Thanksgiving.